John is creek fishing today. Thought we'd do a little video after work, a little walkabout. Finally getting to get it back out and on the trail again after being sick for almost 2 months. John just casting a little jig head and a lure. Oh, you get snagged.
Again.
Oh. Gonna break it.
Yep.
He did catch a little hybrid bluegill though. You got a little bluegill out of there. I hear a catbird. You'll need to get in the backpack? Yeah. Unless you want to try mine, it's ready to go.
Yeah, but yours is on the opposite side of that fish.
Oh yeah, I forgot I fish left-handed.
Well, you can try yours, I don't care. I'll break it, I have to get another one. I have to fix them both then.
There you go. We're just using a little jig head with a little bit of little crappie bait on there, a little crappie jig.
Flip yours over and use it the opposite way or something.
Step down here a little bit. Got tons and tons of goldenrod blooming and these beautiful green coneflowers and woodland sunflowers and coreopsis. Some ironweed, Joe Pye weed. Hi, catbird. This is Coffee Creek. He's just casting on down over here. So you can see it. We already saw a deer, 2 rabbits, a bluebird, and a bunch of goldfinches. I'm hearing the catbird. Mosquitoes are finding me. The mosquitoes are finding me.
Are they?
Yep, we didn't bring bug spray.
No.
Look at how tall that giant ironweed is. It's taller than me.
Oh, that one.
It's gotta be like 10 foot tall.
Yeah, I know, it's huge.
Wow. Wind's rustling in the trees. Got some really big cottonwood trees in here. Gorgeous flowers. Gorgeous. They're just all through here. Tons of wildflowers. Right? These are some big steps. Big rocks. Huge pieces of limestone. I see them. Ugh. We do have a 5K trail here. And you got the map up here. So you can see where we're at in the trail system here. And we'll be back. Oh, look at, there's a deer up there. I think there's 2. Way up there. See if we can see him. See his little tail wagging. Oh, he's looking at us. They're looking at us. Hi, little deer.
Oh, there's one on the right too.
Oh yeah, there is one right here. Right over here. One on the right and one on the left.
Oh, there's another one right over here.
Let me come around the corner here. Hold on, guys.
Right
Can't really
down
see.
right there.
Oh yeah, I see her body underneath the tree right there.
Uh-huh.
I can see her kind of moving around. All does. That one there looks like maybe a yearling. It could be a fawn.
Could be.
This year's fawn. Over here. I know, she's on the other side of the tree. Oh, here she's coming to look. She's like, who's over there?
Look at her stomp.
Yeah, she's not a happy camper. I'm betting those two are fawns.
Look at the
That's
squirrel on top
Mama.
of that tree right here.
That is Mama looking at us.
Look at that squirrel on top of that tree right there. That tree looking over at us.
See it?
He's on this big tree right here. Yeah, right at the top.
Oh my
Looking at us
gosh.
from the other side.
Yeah, he is. Look at him right up there.
He's like, what are you doing?
What you doing? See him up there?
Mm-hmm.
Little fox squirrel. Hello. Silly thing. Oh,
Oh,
there they go.
She blew her whistle.
She blew her whistle and she let's get out of here. That was Mama and this year's baby fawns.
Uh-huh.
Twins.
Yep.
They don't really have much spots left. And they're getting pretty big. But that was Mama. That's why she was stomping.
Yeah.
Because those are her babies. That was cool.
Yeah,
Well, if we see anything interesting again, we will come on back. Well, I didn't get very far down the trail.
no.
Yeah, we got a doe and a fawn. I'm trying. They're back in these trees right here. This little one's got spots on him still. Little fawns. See if I can get them in there. There's one there, and then there's one next to it. Right over there that has spots still. The second one, the smaller one. It's starting to shed out that coat, but it still has some spots left. They're so cute. There's two bigger does. I don't know which one that belongs to. Probably Mama's the one it's standing next to. That's the big doe that we saw earlier. I don't see the other fawn though. So cute. See if I can zoom in a little bit farther. Oh, there they are. Hi, Mama and baby. They're adorable. Let's head on down the trail. Okay, so we're at a little bend here, and there's kind of a deeper hole right around in here where the bank's been washed out. See if we catch anything. Oh! Got off.
Who's on there?
Wow.
Who's on there?
Did you see what it was?
As soon as I threw it out, he was on.
Sit right here. I heard him. Kind of a deeper spot right here. Got him, huh?
Yeah, that
Oh.
ain't what I had the first time, though.
That's a chub.
That's a little chubby.
Little creek chub.
Little creek chubby.
Catfish bait.
Excellent catfish bait. Don't tell me. I'd be putting them in the freaking.
Didn't bring a little baggie. We could have brought a
We brought a bag.
tub and took them to the lake tonight. Or the river. Big river. Whatever you had on there earlier was, the first time, was bigger.
Yeah, whatever I had on there the first time, that was a little bigger one.
Because it splashed a lot more than that. Don't get on that. There's nothing underneath it.
Oh, right there, too.
Ah. I got my pole too, but
I got to pull it out of my hand.
We got that really light action pole. It's fun with them little fish. The light action's fun. Oh, did you get him? Yep, you got him. Another chub.
Little chub. Nope, little bass.
Oh, a baby bass, really? Oh yeah, it's a largemouth.
He's fat, too.
Baby bass. That's cool. Itty bitty baby bass. Yep, look at there.
Look at this belly.
Oh yeah, he's got a little fat belly on him. You got a northern.
Yeah, I did.
A little bitty one. Oh, careful, don't let him get you.
No, I'm trying not to.
Oh, look at that little bitty baby northern.
Look at that.
In here, in this little tiny little creek.
Yep.
Well, it is connected to Lake Michigan. Look at them teeth on that little
Yeah.
guy.
He
Look
got
at
it. Yep.
All right, put
I
him
don't know if
back
that's
in
a
there.
northern or muskie.
The northern pike.
There you go, dude. Go back.
We don't have no muskie around here. But yeah, they must have.
Oh, I needed to get a picture of that.
Oh, on a rooster tail. Awesome.
Yep.
Wow, you caught a largemouth bass,
No,
a northern, couple of a bluegill, and a couple of creek chubs. Creek chubs I was expecting. That I was not
I wasn't
expecting.
expecting that.
It's a nursery. It's a fish nursery. You probably won't catch him again. He's probably long gone.
Oh yeah, he's long gone.
You wouldn't think, and you can't. You look down and you don't see them. You can't see them from looking in. You can see the bottom, but you cannot see the fish. They're camouflaged so well that you just don't see them.
Yeah, nothing now.
Yeah, they're all spooked out of there probably since you caught that bigger predator. It's a predator, even though he's little baby. It's still a predator.
He eats stuff.
Little hammer handle.
Yeah, he eats stuff.
Yeah, he eats lots of stuff. On a rooster tail, you got the flashy thing for him, that's for sure.
Oh, something's following it.
Huh?
I seen waves then coming up behind it.
Oh, something was following it.
Yeah, it was. I don't know what, but it was. It's right there in that freaking area right there.
There's a little hole right there. Whoa!
There.
It's hard with that tree right there.
I know, the tree's right in the way.
I don't know if I can pull that off to the side or not. It looks like it's broken. I just don't want to fall in.
I don't worry about it.
Yeah. It's pretty darn cool you caught that.
No. I can walk over there on the other side and see.
Well, we're at the pond now. John's doing some more fishing. I'm doing some sitting. My body is adjusting to the hiking. This is my first hike after being down sick for 2 months. Just going to work and coming home and sitting. Isn't that a gorgeous sunset though? Good grief. Look at the fountain over here. Beautiful sunset with the fountain. Nice fountain. Beautiful sunset. And John's fishing. Look how pretty these cone flowers are right here. They're gorgeous.
Ooh, that thing ain't getting nothing.
Nothing?
Oh, nothing.
You got a bunny over there? Hold on, I'm coming. Gotta step down and watch these rocks. Look at that. Big old rocks. What is it? Oh, a little bunny. Hi, little guy. Right on the path. Cute little bunny. Hi, bunny, bunny. Yep, we decided to hit the road. John almost caught a turtle, and so we figured we better call it quits. Don't want to catch a big snapping turtle today.
Big one too.
It was a good day though. A nice hike. Beautiful sunset. Got the
Oh, we caught a couple.
Yep. Boy, you got dirt all over your head.
I
Oh,
know.
it's sweaty.
Yeah. Sweaty and dirty.
Well, we had a good hike.
Yeah, we did.
Saw a lot of wildlife.
Yep.
Caught a few fish. I didn't
Yeah.
I didn't really fish. I
No, I
caught a
didn't
tree
really
and that
fish.
was it.
Yeah, that's about it.
Caught a tree. That's okay. We had fun.
Yep.
So we're gonna call it a night.
Call it a night and head home.
Yep. See you next time.
See you next time. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye.